So, blockchain. It's a huge buzzword you've all probably heard, but in insurance, it's more than just hype. It's solving real problems like fraud, inefficiency, and lack of transparency. But like all technology, it comes with its challenges. So in this video, we're exploring 7 ways blockchain is transforming insurance and the 3 problems we need to overcome to unlock its full potential. By the end, you'll see why blockchain could be the future of insurance and why getting there won't be easy. So let's start with the basics. Blockchain is a secure and decentralized ledger that records transactions in a way that's permanent and tamper-proof. In insurance, this means fewer disputes, faster claim resolutions, and better fraud prevention. Imagine a single shared source of truth that everyone involved, policyholders, insurers, and even regulators can rely on. That's the promise of blockchain. So how is the blockchain already improving insurance? Let me walk you through 7 key benefits. First is transparency. Blockchain creates a shared, unchangeable record of policy details and claims, reducing disputes and building trust between insurers and customers. Just imagine we may not need claim adjusters in the future. Next, smarter contracts. These are automated agreements that trigger payouts when predefined conditions are met, like processing a travel insurance claim for a delayed flight, all without manual paperwork. Wow, wouldn't that be really cool? And the third benefit, fraud prevention. Fraud is a massive cost for insurers, but the blockchain technology with its verifiable audit trails makes manipulating the system way more difficult. So this not only saves insurers time and money, but it also helps prevent frequent rate hikes, ultimately saving you, the customer, money. The next benefit, improve the underwriting process. With real-time data from trusted sources like IoT devices or health records, the blockchain streamlines underwriting, helping insurers make really fast, more accurate decisions. The blockchain speeds up reinsurance processes by allowing insurers and reinsurers to share data securely and reconcile transactions in real time. So what is reinsurance? Well, it's insurance that the insurance companies purchase to help with claims. We actually did a video about this linked below. Reinsurance is a major cost for insurance companies, so this would be great to reduce this cost. All right. Parametric Insurance is a modern solution where payouts are triggered automatically by specific events like hurricane or flood, removing the need for traditional claims assessments. And in case you haven't heard of Parametric Insurance, it's a type of insurance that pays out a set amount when a specific event occurs. So rather than compensating for the exact amount of the loss, this means no arguing with a claims adjuster about your claim. And finally, the blockchain empowers customers by giving them real-time access to their claims and policies, enhancing transparency and trust from insurers. Of course, no technology is without its challenges, and blockchain is no exception. Let's look at the 3 biggest hurdles the insurance industry needs to overcome. First is the regulatory landscape is complicated. Insurance operates across jurisdictions with different rules, and aligning them with blockchain technology is a really tough task. This will take some time to get through the court systems, but I'm hopeful this will improve in the next couple of years. Second is scalability. The blockchain struggles to handle the sheer volume of global insurance transactions quickly and efficiently. So the issue here, a small percentage of insurance carriers are willing to use blockchain contracts as of 2025. And finally is integration. Most insurers rely on legacy systems, and transitioning to blockchain requires significant investments and change management. Did you know that many insurance companies are still using DOS-based systems? Crazy, right? And if you don't know what DOS is, definitely Google it. It's really old school. So the blockchain has the potential to transform insurance by enhancing trust, reducing costs, and automating processes. But getting there will require collaboration and innovation with insurance companies, reinsurers, and regulatory bodies. So it'll take some time, but it'll be worth it in the end. And if you need help with your insurance now, before the blockchain is here, reach out to my team. We work with more than 40 insurance companies, and we'll make the process seamless for you to find the best rate and coverages. Talk soon.